a quiet morning gives way to the hum of a city awakening. The 2025 Genesis G90 glides through the streets like a symphony of grace and power, turning heads with every curve it takes. The exterior design of the Genesis G90 is a masterpiece of sophistication. Its crest-shaped grille, framed by jewel-like LED headlights, creates a commanding presence that exudes confidence. The seamless body lines flow effortlessly from the long hood to the sleek, tapered rear, where the slim LED taillights enhance the car's modern aesthetic. Riding on striking 21-inch alloy wheels, the G90 strikes a perfect balance between elegance and athleticism, whether cruising down city avenues or parked under a canopy of stars. Step inside, and the G90 reveals a world of opulence. The cabin is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, featuring Napa leather seats with quilted patterns, open pore wood accents, and brushed metal finishes. Ambient lighting, customizable in an array of hues, sets the perfect tone for any drive. The expansive panoramic roof bathes the interior in natural light, creating an airy, serene atmosphere. The seats are not only heated and ventilated, but also equipped with a massage function, ensuring ultimate comfort for both driver and passengers. Under the hood, the Genesis G90 offers a powerful yet refined 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 375 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain delivers smooth, effortless acceleration, going from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.3 seconds. For those looking to embrace sustainability, the G90 also offers a hybrid variant that seamlessly blends electric efficiency with the power and performance you'd expect from Genesis. The driving experience is nothing short of exceptional. The advanced multi-link suspension absorbs every bump, ensuring a smooth, composed ride even on uneven roads. Rear wheel steering adds precision and agility, while the all-wheel drive system provides confidence in any weather. Technology in the G90 is as forward-thinking as its design. A 12.3-inch digital cluster pairs seamlessly with a matching infotainment display, creating a cohesive and intuitive interface. Safety is paramount, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, a 360-degree camera, and the highway driving assist system, making every drive as secure as it is enjoyable. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of the Genesis 90, the road stretching endlessly before you, every journey transformed into a celebration of elegance and achievement.